of the evening.
How much? How much is he weighing it?
Nchatxu 124. Yep.
For years, and this one has the makings of a great one. The referee for this bout, Mr. Scott Erickson. Introducing the boxer. This young man represents Rice Street Gym, St. Paul, Minnesota. He comes into the fit and trim, 123 pounds. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Rice Street Gym, the Vang Nchatxu. East side of St. Paul. This young man represents Heroff boxing. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mr. Heroff.
Good shot. There you go, Nchatxu.
Keep working in there. Keep working. Keep working. There it is. Keep
Work that jab.
Ain't they like 2-1? And they fight like 5.
Hands up. They'll never hit your glove. Don't worry about it. Moving ahead. Moving ahead. There it is. Work like that.
There you go. Go back, Nchatxu. There you go. Look back. There you go. There you go. Whoa. There you go, man. Come on. There you go. Come on, Nchatxu. Doing good. Doing good. There you go.
There you go. That's it.
Go. There you go. Go back, Nchatxu.
Back him up.
Go back yourself out.
Hands up.
Box, Brad.
Relax and breathe in and throw it.
Hands up.
Now, your turn.
Nchatxu,
Five.
Use that tail, Brad.
There it is. Work in there. Head on his chest. Head on his chest.
Stay.
Stay there. That's what you want. You want him to work. He's only got one round here. Work. 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 Make it work. Make it work. Make it work.
Come on, Brad. Don't burn yourself out. Remember.
Go back, Nchatxu. There you go. There.
Keep going. Keep going.
There it is.
Beautiful. There you go.
Uppercut. There.
Somebody bring it.
Come on, Brad. Box.
There it is. Relax. Stick.
There you go. Keep working, Nchatxu. Keep working, baby. There you go. Keep working.
Move ahead. Move ahead. There you go. Move ahead and kick in with 5.
Sideways.
Deep breath.
Brad, stop rolling. Box.
Have fun. There it is.
There you go. Keep working. There you go.
Do it again.
Nice. Hook.
Come on, Brad. Box.
Excellent bout. These guys come from 2 excellent programs. Both head coaches from Rice Street and Burnett Boxing. Johnny Johnson from Rice Street, Alvin Next from Burnett Boxing. Knew each other growing up. They're both good boxers. They're both good coaches. They have great programs. Rice Street Gym's over on Weston and Blair. Stop at Rice Street, and we're in the Burnett Boxing Gym. Good crosstown rivalry and 2 main event fighters here battling it out for the featherweight championship. We got round number 2 coming up.
Left hook.
Back him up, Brad. You're up.
Left hook. Nice.
Set it up, Brad. Keep moving.
Left hook. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Catch him coming in.
Catch and punch.
Now take him up in front. Right now. Right now.
Snap that jab out there. Work that.
Get out of there, man. Your turn. Stand and move, man. There it is.
Come on, Brad.
We're back to hooks to the body.
Left hook.
Don't stay there. Good job. Lock on that. Back him up now.
Snap it out there, Brad. Come on.
Snap it out there. Snap it forward. Punch. Move your head. There it is.
Stop letting him touch you. Move out.
Your turn now.
Come on, Brad. Snap it out there.
There it is. There it is. Keep working. Keep working. Keep working.
Work him in the corner, Brad.
Other than height advantage, that's about it.
You gotta get a second win right now. Who's punching? There it is. Get off him, Brad. Get off him. Jump out.
Yeah, Brad got more experience.
Didn't you say you've been fighting for like 10 months?
Yeah, that's it just started.
Keep your... Work him, Brad. Work him in the corner. Brad, use that jab, buddy. You don't need to throw.
Finish that. Oh, you're shorting it up. Shorten it up. Punch. Punch. Your turn. Back to the ball. Back him up. There you go. Back him up. Get a jab. Get the jab now. No. Straight now, too. Straight down.
Work that body, Brad. Hey, do a round, Brad.
Gotta be in shape to do that.
Gotta be in shape to do that.
You guys are in great shape. You're trained hard, boxing, and
We got probably the same heights.
Okay. He's 5'9".
Huh?
5'9".
Wait, you left-handed, aren't you?
Huh?
Are you left-handed? Aren't you left-handed?
Nah, I'm right.
Oh, you're not left-handed.
He's trying to brawl with me.
They still got another round. Is this the fourth or third?
Let's go, Brad. Get the jab out there, Brad.
Come on, speed.
Like that. Head shins and then throw off. Head shins and throw off. 5. There you go. Stay there now. Stay there now. Stay there now. Stay there now.
uppercut! Hook, uppercut!
What has been 2 days of excellent boxing and a great tournament. All you fans, all the coaches, the officials, especially the boxers, and these 2 in the ring. Let's have a big round of applause for the great tournament. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2012 St. Paul Region 2 Golden Glove Featherweight Champion advancing to the Upper Midwest is out of the blue corner.